Hey everyone, and welcome to this brand new episode of the Crypto Intel. My name is Mark, and in today's episode, we're going to check out the new BitShares token listed as NBS on Binance. So, without further ado, let's check it out. So, as we can see, it's currently trading at 1.4 cents to the dollar at only 37 Satoshis. So, this is a great buy by any means. This is definitely one of these coins that you want to have in your MetaMask or in your wallet, whichever wallet you're using for crypto. This is definitely a coin that I would go for. As you can see, it's currently being traded at a very, very low rate. So 36, 37 Satoshis, that's really super low. Consider the fact that it was actually at, let me just switch over here to the daily view. It was at 89 Satoshis. So for example, let's say that you would have purchased it today at 36. And by the way, I'm not a financial advisor, guys, so please do your own research before you make a move. Like, it's really important to check out different coins and do the back research on them. So, for example, let's say that this coin does reach the 50 Satoshi mark. So, let's say 50 and then divide that by the current 36. You'll be getting a 38% return when it gets there, and it will, because it was there many times for the past 2 months. So this is definitely a great buy. Of course, there's not a lot of action going on right now. Only 52 Bitcoins traded in the past 24 hours on Binance, which is, not that volatile. But as things start heating up, you better believe that this thing is going to blow up, probably back to the 89 or a little bit lower. So we're probably going to see a 70 Satoshi so platform for the price. That's probably what it tried to hit here, here, and almost here. So, consider it getting to the 65. So it's approximately, 2x. This is what it's gonna go and get. That's my price predictions for this coin. So let's just make sure that we understand what this coin is about. So the new BitShares NBS, decentralized public chain for financial smart contracts, and a fork of BitShares. So NewBitShares NBS is a fork of BitShares BTS, a delegated proof of stake DPoS public blockchain infrastructure that started off as a decentralized cryptocurrency exchange. The fork continues to work based on, again, delegated proof of stake consensus. So this is really interesting because we don't hear a lot about the delegated proof of stake. There's this decentralized, delegated, and the non-decentralized. So, and this fork will only reverse the functions that have not been approved by the BTS committee for BTS 4.0. Other functions of BTS 4.0 will continue to be used. The functions that will not be included in NBS include 1. Voting weight decay, and 2. 1 vote for 1 vote committee elections, and 3. Locked voting, 4. Counting of non-locked accounts, votes as 0, and 5. Removal of rights to vote when BTS is used as a collateral. So as you can see, the founders of the BTS actually made the small updates, by issuing the new token, which is currently using their new protocol, the 4.0 protocol. So the NBS token is used for transaction fees, voting, and as a store of value as collateral, and staking within the new BitShares network. So that's all great. There's a big problem with the new BitShares that I see is the fact that they don't have a lot of translations. A lot of coins on Binance are, Asian, Chinese based, so they don't have a very good translation in English. So us traditional traders that are not Chinese speaking, well, we're kind of stuck, right? So let's see what we can work with. So you can get their wallet here, and their website's a little bit broken. Also, you can get a small intro video here. I don't know if it's informative enough, but just as an introduction, NBS is an OSS, open source solution for decentralized finance business and decentralized exchange based on the delegated proof of stake consensus and implemented with decentralized authority organization Basically, DAOs are companies that do not get any, government that takes care of them. Like normally businesses, when you register a business, you normally have to register in a country. Well, the DAO is a countryless. So you're like creating a business in thin air that is not managed and is decentralized. So going back to the text, organizational management structure. The graphene technology used by NBS is one of the most advanced blockchain technologies on the market. So there's no proof of that. Where is it? I don't know. It's not written here. So let's check out the features. Graphene architecture achieves 3,000 plus transactions per second. That's not fast. We've seen and we've reviewed coins that do 100,000 transactions per second. Anyways, with high concurrent processing, by the way, I'm talking about the Quark. The Quark coin, it does, I think, 100,000 transactions per second. That is an amazing coin for that. So, NDPOS governance structure lowers energy consumption, which possesses more development possibilities than distribution. Inheriting the community foundation and blockchain technologies of BTS NBS community is very strong from the beginning, with users distributed all over the world. And then the security. The trading blocks have verified the security of the system for several years, and the blockchain technicians across the world have witnessed the steady development of the platform. Okay, well, that's not very intuitive to understand. After years of trading, blocks have verified the security of the system, and the blockchain technicians from all over the world have witnessed the stability of the platform. And then the wallet. Wallet is divided into web wallet, mobile app, computer light wallet, and node command line wallet. Meet users' various needs. So as you can see, the English is really, really broken here yet again, as most of these, crypto companies that are from Asia. I mean, it's okay. Probably in Chinese, everything's well written. It's just that for us, it's a little bit hard to understand and read. So, lock position minding and proxy dividend is another innovation of NBS, so that each of your assets have the value of investment. So then, good luck understanding anything here. Execute control 5 element zodiac NBS apital treasure map, whatever the hell that means. I have no freaking clue. It's as if I'm playing a game right on my browser. Okay, so the development roadmap. Adhere to the delegated point of proof of stake consensus and maintain decentralized finance credit, whatever this means. NBS, led by the society, will there's so many grammatical errors, will play an effective role in autonomous blockchain communities, master cutting edge technologies, and quickly realize the implement. It's as if they just punched in random words that are fluff and it doesn't mean anything. So let's see, Q4. Let's see, this is where we are almost. Let's see, Q3. Yeah. So develop NBS forecast to connect the real world with the chain world. Okay, so it's not connected yet. Why? So develop virtual machines to deploy centralized internet services to the NBA. Okay, so basically they want to create a hosting of some sort. So at least they have really huge partners. I guess they have really large investors. So Huobi being the second largest exchange on the world, and then Binance, as you can see at the bottom, and the other big ones. So yeah, I mean, it does not instill trust in me because I do not understand much of what is written here because the English is so bad, unfortunately. Although for Chinese-speaking people, maybe this makes sense. You can try to check out what is written on their site, but I wouldn't go for it. Now, as for the pricing, well, if you're a speculative trader, then in that case, it would definitely be a really good idea to purchase the coin so that you get a little bit of a percentage compound profit here, because it will definitely get back to the 50 mark as it did multiple times, and the 60 mark, you won't have to worry about that. So these were my predictions and my comments regarding the NewBitShares coin. If you like this content, please let me know in the comments below. I would definitely love to hear from you. And by the way, make sure that you subscribe to this channel because I will be teaching you how to trade on Binance very, very shortly. So see ya guys in the next episode.